Okay, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care. I've got a sinus infection, so excuse the funny voice. Really not well, and not being very lucky. But we're back here at 4 Marks Bowls Club, 4 weeks on. The fleece has been battered, it's been irrigated, but the wind, and it's stayed incredibly. It's incredible. It's just stayed down. Haven't replaced one peg. Got some grass growing through over there. Have had a little sneak peek. It's still been cold, so we got 650 pegs to pull. The committee are here, some members, some helpers, and we got 650 pegs to pull. We're going to pull them, we're going to show you what it's like, and then we're going to mow it. Good or bad, you're going to see the results. Seen some weeds come through. The weeds will come because the fleece will promote any weed seeds in the ground. Don't worry. This is cut at 4mm. They're not going to live very long. But there are weeds in the canopy, in the sward. We're not worried. We're going to get our first mow done today. So lots of peg pulling. Let's get on and get all the pegs pulled and then get a mow on. And I'll explain what we're doing with the mower, because we're not using a cylinder mower on this. Not today. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Let's get this pulled off. That's it, the fleece is off. It would have been perfect if we didn't have the worm cast. Worm cast, every patch you see is worm cast damage. So we should have dealt with that in autumn. Autumn 2026, we won't have that. We've got the weed grasses, we've got some weeds that have been promoted from the fleece, but they'll be verticut out. So it's a labour of love. 2027, this bowls green, because it's got to be, because I'm OCD Lawn Care, right? Outdoor creative design. It's got to be perfect. So it's a labour of love. So we're going to get the cylinder mowers on, but I'm going to show you some of the growth over the canopy. Come and have a look. Okay, look at that. Yeah, it's just under 4 weeks old. Bent fescue, Boston seeds, prestige. Yeah, I've got the weed grasses there, but they were already there. I said they won't be there this time next year for sure. So that is absolutely incredible. Yeah, worm casts will fix that. Look across the canopy. Yeah. Where we had over here was really bad. It was bald. Look at the worm cast damage still, but it will grow in and fill in. This area, look at these weeds, look, see? So fleece, we'll just get that one, just hoik it out, look, easy, yeah, get it out. So this was the bad area, but that's going to creep in. Loads of new shoots in there. Right, so across the green. That is incredible, so I'm really happy with that. You can't magic a bowls green in 4 weeks, but germination, look at that one. So we just get those and lift them suckers out. But they won't survive. So let's get our mow on and see what it looks like. And I'll show you at the end of the video, because Boston Seeds sponsored this club with their prestige mix, 20% bent, 40-40 creeping fescue. The club have invested in something, and it's incredible, and I'll show you at the end of the video. And that's thanks to CDB Topsoil and Boston Seeds. So let's get our mow on. Oh my God, 28 days, first mow, absolutely incredible. Oh, I could actually cry. Blimey. So it's been a fantastic result. Yeah, we got some weed grasses, we got some thin patches, all from worm casts because they didn't get in control of it in the autumn. Getting that pH down, making it less favourable for worm casts. There are methods and it won't be happening again. I'm here to help for the foreseeable future, but I've got to say a big shout out to CDB Topsoil, now known as Fremantle and Son. You've seen their root and grow, their field number 4 equivalent, fantastic. Link in the description to their soil. This was 70% silica sand, or 80% silica sand. Fantastic germination results. And in cooperation with Boston Seeds Prestige. I love that. It's the first time, I think it's a new seed blend on Boston Seeds website. They gave us a seed for nothing, and they sponsored this club for this year. So thank you so much to Boston, and I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. And because of you two companies, Boston Seeds and CDB Topsoil, this club have been able to invest in a roller. It's not the most prettiest of roller, but it's a it's a bowls green roller, so we can get out all the undulation, get on the top of the bumps. I'm showing you that on the screen now. So in 1 week we're going to dry it out because it was soaking wet grass. Unfortunately the ground's been watered yesterday afternoon, so all the fleece is wet. It's drying out over there. Excuse me, so ill. Yeah, I'm really made up. So it's Saturday today. On Monday they're coming out on the cylinder rollers and they'll be going 90 degrees this way, and then they'll be 2 days later going on a diagonal that way, and then next weekend the roller comes out on the green and we start pushing the soil because it's still loose from the top dressing and the worm cast damage, and then we're going to get on top of it and hopefully we'll have a fast green. So yeah, oh my God, I am completely exhausted. So it's not about the lines, but look at that. That is fantastic. And people are going to look at this bowls green and they're not going to say it's a ploughed field anymore, not on my watch. So I'm going to get the drone up in the air. As it spins around, the lines will become light, but just give you an idea from the top. We do have some patches, but across the canopy, looking really well. We've got a few weeks before we have a match on here. So I'll add this to the playlist on the bowls green. I know I'm rambling, but if you like this bowls green and you want to see how it progresses, it's on its own playlist, because I will be coming back here because this is going to grow sideways. This will self-heal, regenerate itself, and we'll see how we get on. We're going to be vertical mowing. There's lots to do. It's interesting. Bent fescue lawn. Don't care, it's a bowls green. It's just big. Bent fescue. First one I've done. Let me know in the comments how I done. I think we did pretty well. Well done to the 4 Months Bowls Club. They are a fantastic group of people. Did it for free, no money to me. It's actually cost me a little bit of money to do this. But do you know what? I've made some new friends here and I'm going to have a game. You're going to see me play some bowls on this, right? So let's get the drone up in the air. Love you always, guys. May the long gods be with you. And if you want to do a bowls green or a small bent fescue lawn, this is how you do it. Isn't that right, Daniel? Love the banter. Keep it up, son. Let's go.